Hi everybody, it's Matt from RMR Safety, and today we're going to take a look at just what exactly you're getting from the dollar store. So today, my wife was out and about and sent me a message saying, "Hey, look, I found these. Do you want one?" So I said, "Sure, bring me home one. Let's see what we're getting here." So this is available for $4 from a major dollar store in Canada. I'm not going to say which one, that's up to them. And so we're just going to do a really quick teardown on this and just see exactly what it is that you're getting for $4. So it's packaged in a nice clear packaging. You know, nothing bad to say about the packaging. Maybe not very durable. Don't know how well it would ship, but let's see what we've got here. So, we have a headpiece. We have a spare band, and we have face shield itself. So, taking a look here, the face shield itself doesn't look too bad. You know, certainly it's plastic. It's about what you would expect. I'm just taking a look here and just seeing, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it here as I'm trying to get my camera to focus. It is a little hard to see, but this applique that they have put over top seems to actually be partially covering some of the holes. And so I don't know how much of a problem that will be, but I'm just kind of curious to see how easily this would come off or how easily this would get damaged. So we're just gonna... So it is on there fairly well, but as you can see, the sticker itself does come off fairly easily. So, not sure whether that makes much of a difference. One of the things that is kind of prone to these is that they get bent and they get creased and they get stored in bad places. And so we're going to take a look here, and oh my goodness, that bent very, very easily and creased very easily. And so now I'm going to try to uncrease it, but as you can see, even just once, we're left with a fairly big crease down the middle. And once it's creased, it tends to stay that way. So that's not very good. So let's take a quick look here at what we're getting into with this headpiece. So first of all, a few things stand out for me here. One, this, I'm not sure what this is, what kind of material it is, maybe like a foam flex board or something like that. It doesn't seem very durable. Secondly, this right here, this is an elastic band. If you have ever had an elastic band in your hair, you know how much that can hurt. I'm not sure that this is something that I would want to be putting on my head, especially not to be wearing for a long time like a face shield. But in the interests of trying it all the way out, we are going to put this together. So in terms of assembling, it looks like it just oh, look at that. That piece fell off. I wasn't doing anything except putting it together. It doesn't seem to be stuck on there at all. So it looks like we just snap these into the holes. So bonus points for easy assembly. Oh, and there goes the bonus points for easy assembly, but it doesn't like to stay assembled. So now we're going to put this back on, and I'm going to put this on my head, believe it or not, and we're going to see what this actually does. So this came assembled I'm just going to have to take my microphone off here for a second. So here, we'll let you take a look here at what I'm doing. Hi, everybody. So we'll take a look here at what I'm doing. I'm just going to take my headset off here for a second. So I'm putting this on, so it goes on fairly nicely. Do I feel like it's doing much? No, not a whole heck of a lot. Yes, obviously I would need to have a mask on if I was wearing this. Could I wear this for a long time? Yeah, probably. Some of the problems that I see with this right off the bat, if you see up here, there's this large, giant gap here that's from the where it's formed, and it's not actually, like, there's nothing in there. So the purpose of a face shield is to protect you from spray and droplets, and so certainly if you were to spray, if the spray were to come straight at your face, then yeah, absolutely it's going to protect you. It's not going to protect you from droplets coming down, so that is a weak point to me. Now I haven't seen a lot of other masks. I haven't worn a lot of other face shields, but that seems in and of itself like a problem to me. The ones that I have seen do go all the way around. It doesn't feel very sturdy. It feels very wobbly. And it just doesn't feel like, it feels like a dollar store product. And in terms of using and being safe, I don't know how effective this would be, especially because if you see here, my face is pretty much right at the bottom of the mask. And yes, I have a bigger face than most people, but it is like right at the bottom of the mask. So I really don't know how safe I would feel wearing this. So now that I've got the headset on again, I don't know how much of that you heard. If need be, I will overdub for the next time, or for when I post it to my page. But really, it feels wobbly. It doesn't feel like something that is designed to be safe. It doesn't feel. It feels like a dollar store product. This is even just trying it on. This is a one-time use thing. This is not something that I would want to use more than once. And in terms of durability, now that I've tried it on, so this is just kind of your standard foam here. Now that I've tried it on, I just want to see how hard it is to break this. So let's take a look here. Oh yeah, that took almost nothing to break. So I don't know, I don't have any idea how well this would last over the long run. Like, this foam core is just, it's just crappy. So I guess the lesson here is you get what you pay for. So for those of you wondering why you pay more for a permanent face shield, for a reusable one, or why you even pay more for a good quality disposable one, this is why. So the $4 dollar store face shield, not worth it. Like, totally not worth it, folks. Let's just be really clear here. If you do want to know more about getting a proper face shield, getting one that's going to last, one that's going to really work for what you need, give us a shout, talk to us. That's what we're here for. We're here to make sure that people get the equipment that they need, and we're going to make sure that we sell products that we are proud of and ones that you can rely on. This doesn't cut it, period. So yeah, so you get what you pay for, as with all things. So that's it for now. We are gonna have some other products coming up later that we're gonna show you. We're getting more stuff in every day, and we're gonna take a look at some other things. We have a work glove that we've brought in that we're gonna tear down and just see exactly how well that works. and how durable it is. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you later. Have yourselves a wonderful day, and don't forget to visit us, rmrsafety.com.